Alrighty. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos. But today, special pickup. So you know I had to do it to him. Let's just start right off. Give you a little glimpse, little hint of what is to come, boys. Let's start with this bag right now, dog. This is a fucking sick bag, dude. I saw it. It didn't come with a bag. It didn't come with any purchase today. I was like, hey, you have any floral bags? Because I like them shits, right? He said, oh yeah, I can grab you one real quick, though. He said, it's not gonna fit the shoebox, but I can give you one. I said, let's do that, buddy. Let's do that. So, might be saying, Joey with the new pair of shoes, and it's Gucci. That sounds a little bit too good to be true. On the contrary, my friends, that's very wrong. Bada bing, bada boom. Gucci, El Guccio. It's like unboxing your first prostitute. I feel like a kid on Christmas morning all over again. But, hey. What's that? Oh, a dust bag from me? You do too much to me, Mr. Gucci. It's like glue and sawdust. Pop that bitch open. Sat. Now, there's a bit of a motif going on right now. You see the cat. You see the cat. You see the cat. You see the cat. Do you see the cat? Okay. So you see a bit of a theme happening right now. It's the season of the cat, dog. We out here. Rawr! But come on now, dog. Come on now. You see the GG Gucci insignia printed all over this canvas with the wild screaming cat? And you got the green and red tag back here. Gucci logo stamp. GG and Sig. I'm baffled. I'm blown away. I'm out of words. I am in disarray, shock, disbelief. But I'm humbled. I'm honored. We the best. And as we the best, you know there's always another one. Because what is a left without, oh right, I mean, fuck. And when I tried them on in the store, I was trying on the high top version of these, and I tried on low top, and like night and day, dog. There was the comfortability of these is ridiculous. Like I got Yeezys, and them shit is comfortable, but this is like the Yeezys are like standing on pillows, like media, like Tempur-Pedic pillows, rather as this is like standing on a pillow that wraps around you and holds you. It's like a tight, very tight but comfortable fit. It's hard to explain. It's like a nice mattress, but like it's snug around you. You ever been wrapped around in a blanket really good, like a burrito blanket? That's what it's like on your foot. And I didn't expect it at all, because when you look in here, you just think like, oh, it's like a regular van almost. But no, dude, it's stupid padded in there. And then this canvas upper is just snug right there. Because you can see, maybe you can't, but you can see the elasticity of it, where this retracts and reclines. And I'm just, my heart. It's not the best smell, but I like smelling my shoes, because these are clean. I haven't worn these yet, so. But that's what I'm about to do. Oh, you already know. Let me set up this camera real quick. Now, clearly, the shoe must be insanely comfortable to be worth that price point, right? That's where you are correct. Come on now. I mean, look at, like a straight slip on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look, I don't even. No hands required. No hands. Oh, ooh, ooh. That's that Tempur-Pedic love out here, boy. Hopefully I didn't scuff these boys up, you know. Dang. Quick block. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, let's go tap dancing out here, boy. These shoes is out. It's a godsend out here, boys. Bless up.